Ivermectin 0.5% lotion is used to treat head lice, which are small insects that attach to your hair and feed on the blood from your scalp. This can cause itching and irritation. Ivermectin works by paralyzing and killing the lice and their eggs. It is important to note that this lotion is not recommended for use in children under 6 months old, as too much medication may be absorbed through their skin, increasing the risk of side effects. Make sure to use the medication as directed by your healthcare provider. When using ivermectin lotion, it's important to follow the directions on the product package if you're using an over-the-counter product. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, use it as directed. Apply the lotion to dry hair and scalp, making sure to completely coat and cover all of your hair from the roots to the ends and all of your scalp. Leave it on for a full 10 minutes, then rinse off with water. It's important to note that children should have an adult apply this medication for them. After using this medication, wait 24 hours before applying shampoo to hair and scalp. Avoid using this medication on your eyebrows or eyelashes, and be careful to not get it in your eyes. If this occurs, flush your eyes with water. Do not swallow this medication, and do not use it in your mouth, nose, vagina, or other areas of your body. It's also important to wash your hands after applying this medication. Remember, this medication is for a single use only, so make sure to throw away any unused lotion. You may use a fine-tooth comb or a special lice/nit comb to remove dead lice/nits. If your condition lasts or gets worse, be sure to tell your doctor. If you experience eye redness, irritation, dry skin, or a stinging/burning feeling, make sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has decided that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using ivermectin, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so be sure to discuss this with your pharmacist. If you have a history of skin conditions, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. For pregnant women, ivermectin should only be used when it's clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this medication. If you are breastfeeding, it's important to consult your doctor before using this medication, as the form of ivermectin taken by mouth may pass into breast milk in small amounts. It is unknown if this form of ivermectin passes into breast milk, so be sure to discuss this with your doctor before breastfeeding. When using ivermectin 0.5% lotion, Scabicides and Pediculocides, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of ivermectin 0.5% lotion for treating scabies and head lice. Remember, your healthcare provider is the best resource for guidance on using this medication. This medication should not be ingested as it can be harmful. If someone has accidentally ingested this medication and is experiencing serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the United States, you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include rash, swelling, headache, dizziness, vomiting, diarrhea, numbness or tingling, seizures, loss of coordination, and shortness of breath. It is important to use this medication as directed and to seek medical attention if you experience any concerning symptoms. To prevent the spread of lice, it is important to wash all recently used clothing, hats, bedding, and towels in hot water or have them dry cleaned. Additionally, all hair care items such as brushes, combs, and hair clips should be soaked and washed in hot water. This can help to prevent the spread of lice and ensure that the treatment is effective. Ivermectin 0.5% lotion is used to treat head lice infestations and scabies. It works by paralyzing and killing the lice and their eggs and mites. This medication is for use on the hair and scalp only. Apply this medication as soon as possible after it is prescribed. Apply this medication to dry hair and scalp once, thoroughly covering the affected area. Use enough medication to completely wet the hair and scalp or skin from the neck down, including the soles of the feet. Leave the medication on for 8 to 10 hours, then wash it off by bathing and shampooing. If live lice are seen 7 days after the first treatment, a second treatment should be applied. This lotion should be stored at room temperature and should not be frozen. It is for single use only, so any unused lotion should be thrown away. It's important to keep all medications away from children and pets. It's also important to not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.